I'm Azadeh, interior designer and founder of Blend Studio, and this is Spaces and Stories, where we go through each project step by step, from the first idea to the final space. In the previous episode, we concentrated on space planning, defining how the space is connected, how they function, and how the layout supports daily life. In this episode, we are coming to site to see what happens when that plan meets reality. After finishing the space planning and mood boards, we usually start developing the design further, defining each space, selecting initial materials, and even having early conversations with suppliers to understand what's possible and what fits the project. Ideally, in a professional process, everything should be fully designed and coordinated before construction starts. So once you are on site, you are mostly just executing what's already been decided. But in reality, it's never that linear. Now that demolition has started and we are back on site, everything feels very different. This is actually one of the most important stages, because all the extra layers are removed and you can finally see the space clearly. When you're designing, you're imagining proportions, connections, and how a space relates to each other. But being here, you understand it in a completely different way. The scale feels more real, the light becomes more obvious, and the way spaces connect starts to make more sense. Some parts feel exactly how we imagine them, and some parts immediately tells you that they need to be adjusted. And that's a very normal part of the process. We've already made a lot of design decisions. This is usually the moment where we go back, review everything again, and refine it. Sometimes it's a small changes, sometimes it's a bigger ones. So having the flexibility to revisit the design at this stage, to tweak things, adjust proportions, or rethink certain decisions is actually a very important part of making the project better. From here, the process becomes more precise. We finalize materials, details, and continue coordinating with suppliers to bring everything together. In the next episode, we will continue and go through the spaces in more detail and start exploring the next stages of the project. Subscribe and follow me in this journey.